So hi guys, and how is me? You can test 29. Oh, 29. Today's siren test at 10 a.m. and such or p.m. We'll be playing with my record where here's the sound of siren. So good. Okay, so the day is very good. The sun is very shiny. But I doesn't go here is a siren. Now, what time is it? 9:59. 1 minute or seconds yell. Wait. I go to this at 9:58. So at 9:60 equals when equals will be 10 p.m. Now. Oh, sorry, guys. So that starts siren test. Oh yeah, that's so scary. At 2000 siren B, and the one equation like. Or other country siren, guys. There's two sirens from two other countries. Like 1, 2. My country have 2001 siren bees, but I will hear other sirens. That's so weird. Like there. It was amazing. And there I hear siren. Such. That's very cool. Yo, the sound is so beautiful. That was amazing. Oh. Yo. Oh yeah, guys. A siren test. And yeah. Other side it looks like the 20th, I think, but that can't be, isn't. Okay. This sounds beautiful. Oh, I don't have so much place in my phone for making videos, guys. This can be actually not full test. I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry. But so, you hear? You hear that? Oh, 2007B. Another one, like. I don't know what is that. That isn't a siren. Okay. I think I will be seeing a siren. Oh, that stops. So the siren test is actually stopped. We'll hear. Will hear some sirens like out there. If there will be no sounds, I will hear some sirens. But you heard that. So thanks for watching. We'll watch it, and sorry, I don't have a place, so everybody will watch and such. Goodbye, guys. I really like this siren test. This is my first siren test where I got on a video, and so bye bye.